How to cancel your Roblox purchases. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll be guiding you through the steps required to effectively cancel any purchases made on the popular gaming platform Roblox. The process is designed to be both swift and straightforward, ensuring a hassle-free experience for all the users. To initiate the cancellation of a Roblox purchase, simply access your account through a web browser, be it on your mobile device or your computer. Once logged in, navigate to the Roblox website and proceed to sign in as usual. Locate and click on the settings icon, typically positioned at the top of the right corner of the screen. Within the settings menu, locate and access the billing page. If your intention is to terminate a premium subscription, you can accomplish this task directly from the billing page by selecting the Cancel Renewal option displayed prominently in the middle of the page. For canceling a specific purchase made on Roblox, redirect your attention to the website www.roblox.com/support. This webpage serves as a designated contact point where you will be required to furnish essential contact details such as your username, first name, and email address. Clearly outline the issue prompting the cancellation of your purchase, specifying whether it pertains to billing, payments, or general purchases. Following this, select the appropriate help category from the drop-down menu and provide a concise description of the issue at hand. Rest assured that the Roblox support team will promptly address your concerns and assist in resolving the matter efficiently. I trust that this instructional video has been instrumental in guiding you through the process of cancelling the Roblox purchases. If you found this content beneficial, kindly show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more insightful tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to assist you further in the future.